Here we are in Coronado Springs Resort. This is considered a moderate resort, although the feel of the rooms and the grounds, it feels a lot more like a deluxe resort. It's really, really nice. Everything about it. The grounds are just beautiful. We opted for a water view. Very thankful we did that. It is a beautiful view. The gift shop, the bakery, the restaurant, everything really, really nice. A lot of storage in this room. We do have a Keurig. They provided Jeffrey's coffee with creamer. We've got a fridge down below. Makes it a lot easier to bring a few snacks back to the room. And one thing that we really love about the Disney resorts is the large screen TV with the constant information about the parks. What's going on in the park, what the hours are, if there's any special events. This guide goes 24 hours a day, and it's got the nice Disney music in the background. So really valuable information, really helps plan everything out much, much better. Now, with this being a moderate resort, it does have the comfortable beds. They've got reading lights actually built into these beds, which we thought was kind of cool. I hadn't seen that, except for the deluxe resorts. But moderate and deluxe resorts, you will get a good night's sleep, guaranteed. Value resorts, possibly not. Some of their pillows, pretty rough, very thin. The beds are pretty rough, oftentimes. This room has a decent sized safe, a lot larger than the one at the deluxe resort, so I was pleasantly surprised to see that. These barn doors are really amazing. While someone's out in the main part of the room, you can close that off and get around in the morning. Big armoire, lots of room. Double bowl vanity. They do often provide a lot of the toiletries, just in case you need something, you didn't bring it from home. The water closet, pretty good size, got a pocket door. Once again, they provided the toiletries so that you didn't have to necessarily pack things. And, of course, the all-important shower head with really great pressure for those of us who have hair that you need to get rinsed. That's important. Nothing quite like having enough water pressure. Now, to end this video, I have to show you our view, because that's what it's all about for me. Well, maybe the room too, but the view is pretty important. Can you believe that view? Isn't that beautiful? This resort is stunning. It is very, very beautiful. I just can't believe it. I would definitely recommend a water view in this resort. That is really pretty. It is a large resort, but really amazing. I hope this information has been helpful.